understood कि एक brand, a show which has a brand will also do well, and not only that, now with the web coming in, the web series has taken it to the next level. So and now it's coming towards the end of the first season. So I have been called in to direct in a very exciting sequence for the end, which I hope everybody will like and want to see then the next season. I can tell you nothing about today's scenes, but all I can tell you कि बहुत ही different. हक से और रागिनी एमएमएस. हाँ, एक है नॉर्थ, एक है साउथ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड दैट इज साउथ, बट बहुत डिफरेंट है. एंड आई थिंक ये है, दिस इज द फन ऑफ वेब का जो मीडियम है कि यू गेट टू डू डिफरेंट. आई डिड देव डीडी द फर्स्ट सीजन which was set in Jaipur. Akse is set in Kashmir, and now Ragini is set in horror land. So it's very interesting and very exciting. So I'm here for hotness, not for horror. This was my reaction. Okay, yeah. You know, when you get called to shoot Ragini MMS ka climax, so it's, yeah, interesting. Yeah, I think I took it as a compliment. There's nothing I can share, but all of them are my favorite. That you'll have to speak to the Walt Balaji people. ये मूवी के अगेंस्ट नहीं है. आई थिंक एक ऑल्टरनेटिव मीडियम है. जब एक टाइम था व्हेन टीवी स्टार्टेड, तो ऑल लॉट ऑफ द ऑडियंस वेंट फ्रॉम फिल्म टू टीवी. तो नाउ दिस इज
Before Ragini has been amazing. There's so much depth to Ragini, and the new season it's more exciting. There's a lot of action scenes. There's a lot of drama, a lot of new things that you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna be shooting one of the boldest scenes I have shot, and one of the boldest scene in Ragini. So yeah, please watch it when it's out. It's gonna be really exciting. Romantic or bold? They're two different things. It's not easy, but you know, this is what I have signed up for, and I do it with all the grace, and it's fun because we're shooting with Ken sir, and he's a lot of fun. So he's prepped us, you know, he's made us do rehearsals. So yeah, it's not easy, but it's fun also. Horror is it's much more tougher, I think, than the whole bold scenes, because there's harness, you have to climb places, so it's much tougher, but that's also a lot of fun. It's yeah.
Yeah, it feels great. I've come for the climax and I have a very exciting role, adventurous role. So you gotta watch. My character's name is Simone, and Simone is a very adventurous girl, carefree. She doesn't care. Whatever she does is like, whatever she wants, she does that. And yeah.
So now we have the beautiful lady and
Thank you.
so who is more,
More beautiful.
yeah.
That's for people to decide. We both
No, I
are
just gave him
pretty.
a word. No, no, no. We both are hot. She's hot. I'm hot. And what else?
I think people have to decide, and plus, we think all of us, like for women, I feel everybody is beautiful. Everybody is sexy. So there's nobody much sexier. Everybody, whoever is in our show, like all the girls, we have more girls than guys. We have hardly 3 guys, but all the girls are beautiful, and I think everyone out there should know that everyone's beautiful and sexy.
Yeah, it's about your heart. It's not about your face. Face is all done up here. I mean, the personality you put on, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
What kind of excitement is there as you are shooting the last night?
We are really
That's
excited,
the
and you
dangerous
guys
climax
have to. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so you guys have to watch to see what's coming up.
Bold and beautiful
There's
in
a
short.
lot. There's a lot of things coming up in the climax.
So did Ragini after you?
She, not yet.
Don't lie.
Not yet. Not
I'm
yet.
really scary. I'm
Not
really
yet.
scary.
No, not scary for me.
It's really good. Like on screen, you guys have seen we have a great chemistry. I know Sid for like 5 years, so it was much easier to do these bold scenes, and we're great friends. So we have great chemistry as friends and off screen, on screen. Yeah, he's a great guy.
I haven't shot with Siddharth yet, so just saw him acting. Sorry, and he's good at it.
Also, you have been part of Splitsvilla also.
Yeah.
I'm happy that your journey is good.
Good. See, I won Splitsvilla, so my journey was very good. Yeah. बहुत या हमने रिहर्सल्स किए हमें पता चला कि हमें एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है, कैसे शॉट करना है, शूट करना है. तो अगर रिहर्सल्स हमारी हो गई हैं तो उसकी वजह से हम
Keep
ज़्यादा
that
प्रिपेयर्ड हैं
process.
अभी. एंड Ken sir, he's brilliant with it. He's like
Yeah.
brilliant with his job. He's done already 2 web series
too
with
much
Ekta.
fun working with
Yeah.
him. It's
He
not
makes you feel
like-
comfortable. That's what he
Yeah.
does.
It's not like a. It's more like a fun. We're shooting. We're like a family. So, I mean, the whole team of Ragni, it's been like a family, and I feel it's not one person's job. Like it's just not Ragni making Ragni. It's the director, it's assistant director, it's the light team. It's everybody's hard work come together for what Ragni is today. So, yeah. This recent thing happened and it's really scary. So I was shooting in Naiga, and this place is so scary. Like there's a cross there, and it's very very spooky. So I go back home. I have my dog. So I was chilling with him, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep. And I switch off the light. I walk till like my kitchen, and the light goes on by itself. Like I was so shocked. I couldn't sleep for 4 hours. But then I told myself, I'm like, no, I'm Ragni. Maybe that's why the ghost following me. And yeah, it was funny.
Have you encountered any ghost?
Not yet. I don't want to do that. Yeah, but then the set we were shooting on Naigaon actually
Yeah.
very scary. It looks haunted. If it is haunted or not, we don't know. But it looks very haunted. You walk in, isolated
is,
place,
like, there's something
and then
about
that
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 place.
small little bungalow. Oh my God, scary.
There is something
scary
about
like
that
shit.
place. It's very
Huh,
spooky.
it is. It looks like.
And it's
I hope
never
it
happened
doesn't happen
to me.
with me in
like-
future, near future. Leave it to the set.
So Ragini will kill you or you will kill Ragini?
No, we are not killing
kill
anybody.
each other.
I think the ghost should be killed.
About your upcoming project or something that you're working on apart from
My film is coming out in Feb. It's called Hotel Milan, and I have a different character there. I have a UP dialect. I'm speaking in full Bihari language, so that's going to be very exciting. It's very different than Ragni. Yeah, that's in Feb. You guys should watch that. But before that, I'm sure Ragni is going to be out, and Ragni has a lot for audience, more than the first season. So you guys keep a watch.
Reshma, you have become a friend. So, Ragini ke saath aapka friendship हो गया.
Patrick,
The journey in Bollywood will be like a
I didn't get the question.
बॉलीवुड में जर्नी काफी तेजी से ऊपर जाएगा.
Well, I think I'm doing Ragni. I'm doing another film. I'm hoping to work with Ekta ma'am again. I think maybe I will do something more with her. I'm looking forward to work with Ekta ma'am, and I think you never know. It's so unpredictable in this journey what's going to happen. So whatever comes to me, and whatever exciting roles, exciting script comes to me, I'll just take it. So.
I'm hosting a travel show right now for Travel XP channel. So just came back from Mauritius. That was the best show I did. I mean, I got to travel the world, and I'm gonna start with Europe now. So yeah, it's gonna be aired in 15 days. Travel show is the best thing to do in the world. After Ragni MS.
At last, what audience will get? Both horror or both?
Sorry?
At last, what audience will get in this series?
See, everybody, people who like to travel, who like to see the world, and
No, I'm just talking about Ragni.
oh, okay.
I
I
think
think
Ragni
everybody,
has
teenagers
a-
से लेके बड़े बूढ़े सब देखेंगे because horror सब देखना चाहते हैं. And also there are steamy scenes and all, so I think everybody will be attracted to see this.
Any complaint or any compliment from Sanketh?
as I said, my mom thought like she was really upset and she thought I was looking fat. That's why she was upset. So no, but other than that, my mom's proud. Like if, like you know how the campaign has been. It's been all over the rickshaws and people have been sending me those pictures. Like everybody's like, dude, you're on the rickshaw. So they all been really happy. You know, I mean, it's a high to success. So I think my family is super, super duper happy about it.
My scene is yet to be shot. So अभी किसी ने कुछ देखा नहीं है तो मेरी मॉम ने रिएक्ट नहीं किया. जब देखेंगी तो I'll see her reaction and get back to you.
करिश्मा,
Yeah.
अभी रिचा ने शादी की है विराट से. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I think they're so cute together, and congratulations to them. And yeah, it's just adorable to see people so happy, so happily in love. Yeah. What else?
You have a wishes कहना चाहेंगे?
Final resolution.
To eat right because I eat a lot. So I have to
Do
eat
anything
right.
but don't trouble your mother, man. That's my new resolution to all the kids
Trouble
out
your
there.
mother?
Huh? Don't trouble your
No,
mother.
I think-
For all these kids, teenagers, be
But I
good to
think-
them. That's all I want to
But
say.
if you don't trouble your parents, who will?
No, 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 no.
I
you
mean,
should
in a
not.
good way.
At least your
like-
mother.
In a good way, like
Trouble
you
the
do
father.
always. New Year resolution would be eat right, eat healthy, work hard, and yeah, I just want to be super successful. Work hard, look your best, act well. Yeah, that's all. Work. That's all. I need to work 365 days. I love working. I'm a workaholic, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Please watch Ragni MMS and
Yes.
a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry
I
Christmas,
hope all
Happy
you
New Year to
guys
all.
have a great New Year and yeah.
Enjoy
Thank you
chill.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Visuals, ma'am.